Number 4. PRX Performance Profile. Folding weight bench. Space-saving and sturdy. The PRX Performance Profile. Folding weight bench is perfect. Whether you live in a small apartment or have a compact home gym, this bench is a game changer. Mounting it to your wall is easy, and it folds up flush when not in use, keeping your space clutter-free. It works best with a PRX wall-mounted squat rack, some of which also collapse neatly against the wall. That means your entire gym kit can store away in the blink of an eye. Despite its folding magic, this bench holds up to 1,000 pounds, so you'll feel secure during your workouts, no matter how intense they get. When in use, it extends 63 inches from the wall, with part of that extension due to its smart hinging mechanism. While it isn't adjustable, a flat bench still offers plenty of exercise options. You can do everything from bench presses to tricep dips, making it super versatile. What impressed me most was how sturdy it felt. Comparable models don't often balance foldability with such solid construction. On the downside, it's not adjustable, which may limit some workout varieties. But for those focused on maximizing small spaces, it's a solid trade-off. This bench seamlessly fits into your home without sacrificing durability or functionality. Still searching for the perfect adjustable weight bench? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed!